We are on our day 4 of the Thailand run, and I am here with Mr. Cat. Hi, Mr. Cat. Si Mr. Cat, nakita ko siya. So yeah, we're going to our favorite lunch spot. Barato mga dito eh. Yeah. Barato lami, yeah. Mabusog ra ka na bitaw. So yeah. Today we're going to asing ba dong? To the Dragon Town area. At my car really wants to go to a cat cafe, some cat cafe may. We're also gonna go to that lake, katong park. I think it's called Lumphini Park, and kaning Lumphini Park is na ay mga monitor lizards, which are wild monitor lizards but resident monitor lizards, so accustomed to humans daw sila. And then we're also going to go to a nearby temple in our area in Saturn, which is the Yanawa temple. So yeah, mana mo ang ganap for today, and after mangulit man pud mi ug mas kadlaw na. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we are in a cat cafe. So the 20 minutes 60 plus buy one drink. I know you have to buy one drink. Ang price 60 baht nya, mo buy jud kag one drink. So may pa mag 1 hour na lang ta, 180 baht free one drink.
Kaya mas barato sa 400.
'Di ba? Nara kay 180 times 2. Check daw.
Madayat na nara.
So muna siya ang cafe, guys. Got cats. I think I'll get a matcha latte. Matcha latte. What's yours?
Less sweet.
Huh?
Sweet, less sweet, no sugar.
Middle. Yeah, middle. Cut my God.
Sweet, less sweet. Less sweet. Less sweet, 50.
50%? Yeah.
Okay, package 1 hour 2% blending. Matcha latte less sweet one and cocoa less sweet one.
Asli water fountain.
Orange ka. Ay, nangambras. Ay, pangambras ka. Hello guys, so now we are gonna taste the matcha latte that I ordered here. So it's a matcha latte, come built in with the with the 1 hour stay. So let's have a taste test. First time. True matcha. Like nakainom sa matcha sa Cebu, sa Japan, and everywhere. It indeed is some good ass matcha. Visit Happie Cafe, guys, if you have time. And If you like cats, of course. Happy Cat Cafe. So we are approaching Lumphini Park, which is, it's not really something that you would visit Bangkok, cause ang akong itinerary mainly from AI jud, like what are the most important things nga ako ang adtoon sa Bangkok if tourist ko. Ang gisearch ako dito, ang mga gawas kato yung mga usual suspects. Pero kaba kung say nigawas pag search ako, what should I visit if I'm from Saturn? If nako sa Saturn. So, ang nigawas sa Saturn, adto daw mo sa Lumphini Park. What the hell is Lumphini Park? I-search ko Lumphini Park, di ka siya common. But it's actually a park nga na mga resident monitor lizards. So the fact na i-describe siya sa AI o sa everywhere, even sa mga vlogs nga, the monitor lizards are as common as how common squirrels are, except they're the one who eats the squirrels. So yeah, well, we will go there. And yeah, next block na lang ani abot na mi. What is sound? In a hunt. We are now in a hunt for some, lizards. Ang mga Thai nga ko kanang nationals or residents wala si pakijud mer sig exercise sa diri. Pero kami nga tourist kay among pangitaw ng lizard. Lura. Pero nay guys, guys, sa lizard guys. Gamay siya nga lizard. Masaka ni ron. Ito be. Patuol me. Tara. Kuya boy nga, they're just like here, like people are having their own thing, Maray dili pa mong. Alo, dito usa. Guys. Guys, that's one big lizard. Hello, Dad. Big bug.
Siguro na cute na ito bag.
Padolong ni uli. It's 2:57.
Pero lagi.
And yeah.
Kanita na maigo ni Srigo.
We're here in DMK Airport, Don Mueang Airport. Nag-check-in nami sa nag-check-in nami sa flight. Kaya naraman sila check-in machine. This is very convenient, Like, hindi pa sa Philippines nga wala may automated check-in machines. So yeah. So padulong nami sa mga gate. See you in a few hours, Cebu City. We will be back. Another 4 hours flight. Oh yeah. So yan lang. Nga exam pa jud ko inigugma. Pastilat. Asa ko answer taas pa dyan kayo, wala pa ako naka first read sa tanan. Papukuha nga sa OB, papukusugod siya ini. My gosh, asa mo ko mga answer